Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Deep Jyoti and today we are going to discuss a question from exercise 3.3. Question number 3, Roman number 5. Now first we have to read the question and we have to understand what is exactly given in the question. Now see what is given. A fraction become 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator and the denominator. Now first we have to understand what is the meaning of this line. See, if we take a fraction, it consists of a numerator and a denominator, right? We all know it. A fraction consists of a numerator and a denominator. Now, according to the question, if we add 2 to both this numerator and the denominator, then the fraction will become 9 by 11. Means if we add 2 to both the numerator and the denominator, then the fraction will become 9 by 11. Now, what is the fraction? That value is not given. Means we don't know what is the value of n, or means denominator, and what numerator, and what is the value of the denominator. Okay, so what is the value of numerator and what is the value of denominator? That is not given in the question. So here we have to find the value of the fraction. Means we have to find the value of the numerator and the denominator. So since both numerator and denominator are unknown value, so here what we can take? We can take let the numerator be x, okay, and the denominator be y. Okay, so here we can take the numerator be x and the denominator be y. Okay, so since we have taken numerator as x and the denominator as y, so we can write the fraction is equal to x by y. Now what is given according to question? So according to question, if we add 2 to both the numerator and the denominator, then the fraction will become 9 by 11. So this is the case number 1 given in the question. Okay, so from here we can get our first equation, right? From here we can get our first equation by doing the cross multiplication. Now if we cross multiply 11 into x, we are going to get 11x plus 22 is equal to 9y plus 18. Okay, so here we can take the 22 to the right hand side. So we'll get 9y plus 18 minus 22. So 11x will become 9y minus 4. So ultimately we can get the value of x in term of y. That will be x is equal to 9y minus 4 divided by 11. So here we have got the value of x in term of y. We can mark it as equation number 1. Now similarly, by reading the question, we can find our second equation also. Okay, to find the second equation, we have to read the second part of the question. Okay, first you can note it down. Okay, so next we are going to read the second part. Now what is given in the second part? Say, if 3 is added to both numerator and the denominator, it become 5 by 6. Means if we add 3 to both numerator and denominator. Okay, in equation number 1, we have added 2 to both numerator and denominator. Similarly, in equation number 2, we have to add 3 to both the numerator and the denominator. Okay, in case 2, we have to add 3 to both numerator and the denominator. Okay, so according to question, in case 2, what is given? We have to add 3 to both the numerator and the denominator. Then the fraction will become 5 by 6. So from here we can get our second equation, 6 into x, 6x plus 6 into 3, 18 is equal to 5y plus 15. So we can take 5y to the right hand side. So 15 and 18 to the, 5y to the left hand side and 18 to the right hand side. So 15 minus 18. So from here we can get the value of our second equation. We can get our second equation, that will be 6x minus 5y is equal to minus 3. So this is our second equation. Now what we can do, in second equation we can put the value of x that we have got in our equation number 1. Okay, so here we are going to substitute the value of x. So the method here we are using is substitution method. Okay, so here we can write putting value of x from equation 1. Okay, putting value of x from equation 1 in equation number 2. So if we put the value of x, so value of x we have got x is equal to how much we have got? Value of x is equal to 9y minus 4 divided by 11. So we are going to put this value of x in equation number 2. So in place of x, we can put the value of x, that is 9y minus 4 divided by 11, okay, minus 5y is equal to minus 3. Now we have to solve it. Now for solving, what we have to do, we have to multiply 6 with 9, 6 9 54y minus 6 4 24 divided by 11 minus 5y is equal to minus 3. Okay, so in our next step, what we have to do, in our next step we have to take the LCM. So here LCM will be 11. So 54y minus 24 minus 55y is equal to minus 3. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to multiply this 11 with minus 3. So in our next step, what we are going to get, this part is very easy part, right? This is very easy. It is simple algebra only. So here we can get 54y minus 55y. So we are going to get minus y. Okay, 54y minus 55y, we are going to get minus y. Minus y minus 24 will be equal to 3 into minus 3 into 11 minus 33. Okay, so from here we can get the value of y. Minus y will be equal to minus 33 plus 24. So here we can get minus y will be equal to 33 minus 33 plus 24. So minus 33 plus 24 we can get minus 9. So ultimately we can get the value of y equal to 9. So here we have got the value of y. So y is what? Y is the denominator. Now we have to find the value of x by putting this value of y in equation number 1. Okay, so in equation number 1, if we put this value of y, we can get the value of x. So here we are going to write putting value of y in equation 1. So here equation 1 is what? How much? X is equal to x is equal to 9y minus 4 divided by 11. This is equation number 1. So here in place of x, we are going to put the value of, sorry, in place of y, we are going to put the value of y. So value of y we have got is equal to 9. So 9 into 9 minus 4 divided by 11. From here we can get the value of x. 9 into 9, 81 minus 4 divided by 11. So x is equal to 77 by 11. So ultimately we can get the value of x, that is 77 by 11 is equal to 7. So here we have got the value of x. So we have got the value of x and y. Now see, what is x? X is the value of the numerator, and what is y? Y is the value of denominator. Means we have got the value of numerator and the value of denominator. So ultimately we have got the value of the fraction. So here the fraction is how much? Fraction is x by y. So if we put the value of x and y, we can get the value of fraction is equal to 7 by 9. Okay, so here we have got our value of required fraction. Okay, so this question is very easy question. First we have to make two equations, and by solving these two equations we can get the value of our fraction. Okay, so I hope you all have understood this question. Very easy question, right? So I hope all of you have liked this video, and if you have liked this video, do share this video with your friend. In our next video, we are going to discuss one more word problem. So if you are watching our video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.